Hello students, let's take up a question on relative motion. A man can swim in still water at a speed of 3 km per hour. The speed in still water is same as speed with respect to river or speed with respect to water. He wants to swim a river that flows at 2 km per hour and reach the point directly opposite to his starting point. In which direction should he try to swim? How much time will it take to cross the river if the river is 500 meter wide? Let us say this person is somewhere here and he wants to cross the river and reach a point just opposite to him. Let us join these 2 points. In the vector form, we can call this vector as velocity of man with respect to ground. And in order to reach this point, he has to swim somewhere in this direction. And we can call it velocity of man with respect to river. And this is velocity of river. All these are vector quantities. Let us say this angle is theta, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. The width of the river is given to us 500 meter. Let us say this is 0.5 kilometer. The velocity of river is given to us 2 kilometer per hour and velocity of man with respect to river is 3 kilometer per hour. So we can write velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to velocity of man with respect to river plus velocity of river. Let us equate the components in x direction. So this will give us 0 equal to minus Vmr sin theta plus Vr, and this will give us let us put the values. Vmr is 3 sin theta and Vr is 2. So this will give us sin theta equal to 2 upon 3. This can be written as theta equal to sin inverse 2 upon 3. Now let us equate the component of this equation in y direction. So this will give us velocity of man with respect to ground equal to velocity of man with respect to river cos theta, and velocity of river in the y direction is 0. So this will give us velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to this is 3 and cos theta will be equal to, since sin theta is 2 upon 3, so cos theta will be equal to root of 5 upon 9. So this is equal to root 5 kilometer per hour. So time taken to cross the river to reach the just opposite point will be equal to the width of the river is 0.5 kilometer and the velocity of the man with respect to ground is root 5 kilometer per hour. This speed is in the direction of width of the river. So this is equal to 5 upon 10 root 5, and this is equal to root 5 upon 10 hours. Alright, thank you very much.